Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Mr. Shop. Looking for the best welding machine in the markets. In this video, I listed top 5 welding machine on 2023. In this best welding machine review video, we will show you 5 top rated welding machine to buy in 2023. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best welding machine. We made this list based on our personal opinion based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, user feedback and other related issues. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Please note that the price can be changed at any time. Number 5. HZX Wogan 5-in-1 Gasless, Gas-MIG Arc, MMA TIG HBM 2280 Aluminium Synergy Semi-Automatic Welding Machine Tools for Rosnich Polvautomat. Orders. Review. Rating. % off. Price. Link on description. Check the description link for full product information and price. Number 4. Decapower XTRAMIG Multi-Progress Arc Inverter Gas No Gas 4-in-1 MEG AMEG AAMPERE MAG TIG MIG Welder Semi-Automatic Welding Machine. Orders. Review. Rating. % off. Price. Link on description. Number 3. Check description below for product link. $200 A Multifunction Welding Machine Synergic Digital Double Pulse TIG MMA MIG Welder for Steel Stainless Steel Aluminum Welding. Orders. Review. Rating. % off. Price. Link on description. Number 2. ANDELI 220 volts MIG Welding Machine LCD Screen Double Pulse MIG Lift TIG MMA Spool Aluminum Welding DC Semi-Automatic MIG Welder. Orders. Review. Rating. % off. Price. Link on description. Number 1. (5-in-1) MIG 200 HITBOX Stainless Steel Iron MIG Welder Semi-Automatic Arc TIG MIG Aluminum Welding Machine DC Gas and Gasless. Orders. Review. Rating. % off. Price. Link on description. Check description below for product link. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.